The power of watermelon and ginger for health, the best healthy drink. Hello friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video, special and effective. We need this ingredient to make this recipe: piece of watermelon, small piece of ginger, Now put all the ingredients in a mixer jar, then blend it very well. Then drink it every morning before breakfast. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.